Hello everyone, my name is Wahid and I am Sydney-based management consultant. I help businesses define custom solutions and help them develop automation in their system. So let's start with an example. The first in this video we will be discussing about a custom application that uses a communication network system. So it gives it's a highly confidential project. So I can't exactly name what is the name or who it was built for or what system we are using. I will just give you a basic understanding of how this system works. Why it's confidential? It's a government project. We can't really disclose the information about it. But just for the sake of information, we will give you an idea. So first I have to log into the system. That is very normal and everyone knows about it. So once I am in the system, I have this log sheet with me. I can create a new log sheet as well. I can make a call. I can generate a call I just need to put company name, email, name and receiver's number in the format that it needs to. Then I have to put the add contact and schedule. I can schedule the call, I can add new contact that I want to, or I can upload a contact that I want to. Okay, so basically I can upload the contact and just import it and then schedule a call for it. A scheduled call basically shows me what calls has been scheduled so far and what calls has been done so far in terms of what has been delivered to the person or the client. Okay, so what exactly the purpose of this is? It's a healthcare system or healthcare or software for hospitals to get feedback. So once a client is gone to his home after getting his checkup done and all that stuff, after 1 or 2 hours a call has been scheduled for him to get a feedback. All the calls that we do basically the voice turns into a transcript. So if we okay, if we see this, we can see the status of these calls. Okay, so if there was something, let's say we do an experiment right away. Gives you an idea that I can schedule calls, and then evenly if I have done a call, now I can create a new contact which I already have here. I schedule a call, I put all the details that I needed, I put in the time, date and schedule it. Okay, so what it would do is it will go into the schedule calls. This is scheduled for this specific date, so once the time comes it automatically triggers and goes to the client and it tells the status, either it was delivered or not. Once it's delivered, the feedback is done, it comes here with every number out there and it gives you the audio and the transcript of the call. If you look at the transcript, the transcript is not there because the call haven't defined anything or any transcript haven't been defined yet. So there is no transcript for this specific call. So this is just for an idea, like what sort of application we can build, what sort of automation we can do. And if you have any questions, any query regarding any of these applications or systems, feel free to contact me. I will be more than happy to assist you. Looking forward to talk to you guys, and I'm really thankful for your valuable time, and thank you very much.